What's up, guys? I got one of these things now, so it's officially a YouTube channel. 2019 goals complete. Let's move on to 2020. So, we're gonna change it up a little bit. Instead of just doing random videos, we're gonna start doing mini-series. No, not you. Let's see if an amateur can do what Gordon Ramsay makes look so easy. Let's go in the kitchen and get a little bit more comfortable. What's up, my little kaffir lime leaves? And welcome to JMax Amateur Kitchen. Alright, so the challenge today is crab. Can we cook, extract, dress, and present the crab like Gordon Ramsay shows? Let's give it a shot. Alright, so we got a pot. Let's fill it up with water. We're gonna get that on the stove. And Gordon says to put some salt in there. We're gonna cover that up and bring it to a boil. Alright, so this is the crab. He's going straight from the fridge to the boiling water. Alright, he's in there. We're just gonna cover it up and we're gonna cook for 15 minutes. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Drop him into a bowl of ice water. Alright, and I'm gonna lay a wet paper towel down and throw a cutting board over top so it doesn't slide around. Alright, and I got the crab out of the ice water, but I realized I totally forgot to snip these off. There we go, mistake number one. Awesome. Alright, so first thing Gordon does is twists and snaps off the legs. A lot more juice than I thought. Legs are off, now I got the body. We need to separate the purse from the actual shell. So he just says to put your thumbs underneath here and push up. Oh wow, oh this is actually easy. Oh, there we go. Alright, this is gross. So I think what needs to happen is we just need to extract as much of this meat as we can off of here. You're gonna wanna be close up for this one. Alright, I'm just gonna kind of pull some of the stuff off of here to get to this meat. Hold on a second, this isn't actually, wait, this doesn't look like crab meat. What am I, okay, this is not the meat. Alright, scrap everything I said, that's garbage. Alright, to get to the meat, we need to crack this in half. I'm just gonna run my finger through there. Aha! We got some meat. Maybe just break that open a little further. Aha, there we go. Be gentle in the comment section, alright? Now we got it. Alright, so we got our pile of meat. Let's just move that over to our sheet pan. Wet down our cutting board. Alright, let's start getting the legs going. So we're gonna break these apart at every joint. Basically every part that bends, right? So, just gonna kind of twist, break that off. Alright, let's get the knuckle off. So we're gonna cut into the top of that knuckle. Then we get that little piece of meat out of there. Boom. Over to our tray. Alright, and then we have the claw here. This part worries me the most. Don't want to screw it up. So I think this one was a little tough to follow on the video, but I think you break this blade off of there. Oh yeah, and there's no meat in there. Garbage. So what he did was he took the back of his knife. Wow, that didn't work. One more time. Man! Let's try it on the other side. Aha. And then just twisted. There we go. You just kind of just pushed it out with this pinky. And I kind of broke the claw. Ah, let's try it again. Oh. Alright, well, that is a fail. Alright, let's try the legs without the pincher. First we're gonna remove this. And let's break at the knuckle. So Gordon just cuts the top and bottoms of these with scissors. Open that up. And we got our leg meat. Perfectly intact. Alright, let's just keep going. Let's start working on the presentation. So in Masterchef, Gordon Ramsay presents this on a black cutting board. I don't have that, but I do have a regular cutting board. So we're gonna use that. Alright, first thing Gordon does is throws the pile of meat right in the middle. Next, he takes that shell and he puts it right over the top. Now we're gonna grab our first claw. Second claw got destroyed. It's alright, we'll put it down there. And we'll just kind of put the broken piece right at the bottom there. Now we just put in the legs, biggest to smallest. And this guy was missing one leg. That's alright. And there we go. Last up, we got some olive oil. And he just brushes that right over the shell, claws, and the legs. And boom! You got your crab presentation. Is it as good as Gordon Ramsay's? No. Both of his claws were intact. This one got a little mangled. And this crab was also missing a leg, which I didn't notice when I was buying it. Gordon would have noticed that right away. And I'll be on the lookout for that now that I learned. But here's the thing. If I'm able to do this, you're able to do this. It's not super difficult, and you can mess up and it still looks fine. Just a couple more practices, we'll be at like Masterchef level in no time. Alright, so look out, Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay's crab presentation. Gordon Ramsay's crab presentation. Gordon Ramsay's crab presentation. And thank you guys for watching.